Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Microsoft Surface Go 1 tablet. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The most crucial part of tablet repair is proper heating to separate the screen from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. To remove the screen on Surface Go 1, heat the front screen side of the screen. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup on the side to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic cup pry tools or triangle pickers and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling. Flex cables are attached to the logic board. Next, gently lift the screen and move it upwards on the table. Next, lift the lever and pull out the battery connector to disconnect the power. Next, gently flip the screen and then release the breaker from the LCD connector plug. Next, release the adhesive. Gently lift the lever using a pry tool and then pull out the LCD connector plug. Now, can free the broken screen from the body. Next, clean the edges for broken screen parts and adhesives. Next, take out the LCD flex cable and touch connect the board from the broken screen. First, gently take out the LCD connector bracket using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector cable. Gently take out the touch connector board bracket using a tweezer. Next, lift the lever and then disconnect both connector plugs. Next, Disconnect the other half of the LCD cable by lifting the lever. Now can pull out the LCD cable from the screen. Next, apply some heat and then pull out the touch connector board from the broken screen. Be gentle in this process. Next, place and secure the touch connector board on the new screen. Next, secure both plugs and fasten the lever. Next, secure the LCD connector to the screen. First, insert the cable end to the touch connector board and secure the lever. And then fasten the main LCD connector plug. And then the bracket. Next, secure the touch connector board bracket. Now, the new LCD screen is ready for the installation. Next, secure the LCD screen connector to the board and then secure the tape. Next, gently connect the battery connector by sliding in and securing the lever. Next, gently flip the screen and place the screen on the body. Always be gentle with flex cables. Next, turn on the device for testing. Once the testing has passed, secure the LCD connector bracket. Next, add new adhesive or glue to secure the screen to the body. Next, gently slide the screen from the top to the bottom. Gently secure the screen edges. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Next, add some binding clips or rubber bands to tie the screen to the frame. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.